2022. So I welcome you all to this edition. But before we proceed, click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Okay, what is web development? Web development is simply the work involved in developing websites for the internet. What are the three types of web development that we have? We basically have three types of web development, which are we have front-end development, which is responsible for the web pages that we see displayed. We have back-end development that deals with servers, and we have full-stack development, which involves people who do both front-end and back-end development. Now let's talk more on front-end development. So what is front-end development as it entails in detail? So front-end web development, also known as client-side development, is the practice of producing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for a website or web page application so that the users can see and interact with them directly. These challenges associated with front-end development is the tool and technique used to create front-end and website changes constantly so that the developer needs to constantly update its status. And front-end development is kind of surrounded by tons and tons of material and interfaces. What you need to become a front-end developer? So basically you need some skills, and these skills in which you need could be HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You need to learn some frameworks like Bootstrap, Angular, Backbone, React.js, and all. So these are the basic skills in which you need to become a front-end developer. So what you need to get started, maybe you just need a computer, a laptop, a code editor, and you need to know how to manage your time properly. So constant coding is the key to becoming a software developer. You cannot become a developer without coding. So you have to think more as a developer, you have to code more, and being a developer you should learn these four basic things, which are HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript, to become a web developer. Secondly, let's talk about back-end development. Now we will talk about back-end development. Actually, we can see the details here. Back-end development is also known as a server-side development. It is everything that the user do not see and contain behind the scene activities that occur performing any actions on the website. It is focused primarily on databases and back-end logic, APIs, and servers. So you have here, you have a server, you have a web browser, you have a server and a database. So you see where the red box encloses here is the back end. It is the back end. And also for you to do back end, you can use the following languages to do back end. We have Python, we have R, C++, PHP, JavaScript, Java, C, C++, Ruby, and there are also tons and tons and tons of languages outside there in which you can use to do your back end development. So we will be leading you to an introduction course into web development that will be coming sooner along the course. Okay, so you have just watched my slide on like the introduction to becoming a software developer, not like an introduction or like the roadmap to becoming a software developer. And from there we see you can learn some basic programming languages to get started. So you can always get started with front-end development. Now when you know front-end development and you can do freelancing maybe on Fiverr or other freelancing platforms, from there you can get the money to buy courses to carry you on with back-end development. Okay, so in this channel CODEwithCREST, but wait, before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Okay, so you can always get started with software development. Okay, in this channel you are very lucky. We're going to be covering series of videos. We'll be taking 6 months into becoming a software developer, and every week we're going to have either a video or two to watch, and it will be so educative. We'll start from the basis of HTML right up to the advanced HTML. We go to basis of CSS animations. We cover tons and tons and tons of portions of CSS, and finally we'll end in JavaScript. And at the end of the course, I'm going to give you people an ultimate course for beginners on Bootstrap to get you started with Bootstrap, to help you with Bootstrap. You can work with Bootstrap, blah blah blah, and become good at what you do. So this is the first first videos I'm dropping on my channel actually. So I really plead on you guys to really click on the subscription button, click on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up like by clicking the like button. And if you feel you dislike this video, just click the dislike button twice, or you can click the like button once. Yeah, and I'm sure that will be good. So thank you very much for watching, and I pray to see you guys in my next courses. So my next course that will be dropping will be a course that will drop very soon, the ultimate course to HTML introduction 1. So we'll have 3 introductions, CSS, also blah blah blah. So from there we'll have, so I thank you all for watching my video, and I pray you all remain blessed and also work constantly. Okay, please, before we finish or before I go off, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to follow up by turning on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop a new video, you will follow up and have it all. So I will always try to make the videos short and simple. I will always try to make the coding realistic, like I go on live and I code the thing so that we can work together. I really thank you all, and I bless you all for today. Merry Christmas once more to everyone, and I thank you all. Okay, thank you. This is Code with Crest.